Our only choice is fighting among friends. What a joke. Little horrors sustaining big lads. The gutter, progeny, divide, bluster, moves, fascism's dance in a world of angst, rattling with visual fluidity. Sour the crossroads, mirrors the year, trade endorsements, grow modern, seeking reason, getting bold, court in the news, next steps in the passion of an artistic vision. The ring, a fake patience, a social cause seeks fire, the dreamy, unsubstantiated grandeur set amid tumultuous times, seeing what black returns, writing the assertions, coming of age, with plenty to rage about. Live and let trouble wage.